Hey guys, hey everybody. Today's video is reading the letters of our secret lovers. Basahin natin guys. Sige na. Ayan guys, kahit mahirap basahin kasi green. Wishing the world best man a wonderful birthday. You deserve everything your heart desire. Kali ito sa ano I don't know what I do without you in my life. Kanta to Happy birthday Naniko. Kanta to Hati tayo sa ipon bago to. Hindi naman to, may mga ganito pa
Sahin mo, bakit hindi mo tinuloy?
It might be your birthday, but I feel like it's mine because I have the best gift. You have a fantastic birthday. Amen. Pastila. Ano naman to? Magtiis ka sa ugali ko, napakaganda. I love you. Ano pa? From our first date, I knew that I was going to spend the rest of my life with you. Glad to know I was right. Happy birthday. Wala na. May mga grabe, napaka fantastic at misteryosong letter. Yun lang. Na. Okay na guys. Ayun. Siya yung secret lovers.
Wala man tayong marunong maganda.
Yes. Sulat para sa lahat. Thank you and more birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday to me. Thank you.